Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Athenaeum Foundation. This is a beautiful day, but a solemn day in many ways. We hope if we all work together for Cliff, things will be better. I'm sure you all know that Cliff White, the lead singer of Dog Talk, is very ill. Bill Langton will tell us more about it. A lot of the proceeds today will be going to help Cliff. But right now, if you would, everybody get quiet, and I truly believe in prayer, and if you intensely pray for Cliff, it's going to help. Let's have a moment of silent prayer for Cliff. Come out singing, Cliff. Amen. Bill Langton will tell you more about Cliff's condition and what's going on.
Thank you, Phil. First of all, we'd certainly like to thank everybody for coming out and supporting us this week. We've had hundreds of emails from fans from all over the country, and we've been passing those on to Annie, Cliff's wife, and she's taking them to the hospital. Cliff isn't able to communicate with her right now, so she's going to read those to him when the time comes. We have a card set up over here for everybody to sign. We also have a donation bucket for you to help out. Annie, Cliff's wife, is also self-employed, and she's been pretty much staying at the hospital, so we're trying to do everything that we can to help Annie and Amy, their 3-year-old daughter, to meet their daily obligations, and it's a struggle. It's a struggle for everybody. It's a struggle for all of us up here, and I'm sure for a lot of you. Cliff had a stroke a week ago Saturday in the morning. They rushed him to Methodist Hospital from Anderson, where he lives. They had to do a couple of procedures to drain fluid from his brain. He had some bleeding, some pretty serious bleeding, and they had to put a drain in his brain to keep the pressure down. And that's basically the same condition that he has been in since last Saturday. He's still in critical but stable condition, and we're just praying and getting updates. We're also emailing everybody that is interested. We have a list where we're sending out emails with updates. So that's what we know right now, and we are going to continue on. All of the proceeds of sales of CDs and merchandise are all going into the Cliff White Trust Fund, which is set up through Bank One. And if you're inclined at some point during this week, if you can't make a donation today and you want to later, you can go to any Bank One branch and make a donation to the Cliff White Trust Fund, and hopefully everybody will find that in their hearts to do that. But in the meantime, we're here to celebrate and send some really positive energy. Cliff's right over at Methodist, so we're going to play and maybe get some energy over to him, and we're going to have a good time today. Thanks. Phil wants to say one more thing.
Volunteers from the Athenaeum will be coming around. We'll have our normal raffle. All the proceeds of this raffle will go to Cliff, and the prizes are, we'll give it out twice, 2 CDs after the first break and 2 CDs after the second. So be generous with that too. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, we know Cliff has an awful lot of younger friends, and I see a lot of them out here. We got a lot of kids out here today. We have also where the card is, we have paper and crayons, and we encourage all the kids to draw a little picture for Cliff, and maybe write a little message to him, and we'll send that over to the hospital also. Thank you.
tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. Production, we got all the scaffold, we got all the fat boy, one final cracker, we got deep down below me. Hold you in his armchair, you can't feel his disease. Come together right now over me. Over me, over me, over me. Come together, come. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me.
you who have seen us for the 11 years that we've been together have probably noticed that we had to make some adjustments this week in our personnel. Unfortunately for us, within our own Dog Talk family, we had some very talented people. Back on drums, Sam McCune, who normally runs our monitor mix from the side of the stage, is a wonderful drummer. So Sam's been listening to these tunes for 5 years, and he said, "Yeah, I can do those. I can do that." So we moved Sam over. We moved Michael up front, and the wonderful female addition to the vocal tower, Miss Luann Langton, has been running sound for us for 10 years back there, so she certainly knows the material also. So we got together on a Tuesday and spent about 3 hours and figured out what we were going to do this weekend. We worked it out.
Yeah, we're worked up.
We worked it out.
What did we decide?
I don't know. I don't remember. I'd like to also say that we've had dozens of calls from musicians in town, just lending their support and offering to help out. And last night we had a wonderful show at the Jazz Kitchen with some guest artists, and we have some guest artists certainly that are coming today. Jenny DeVoe is going to come and sing with us a couple of tunes, and some other folks. So we're looking forward to a really great day today, and we'd like to thank all the musicians who have offered to help us out. See some folks dancing back there. Come on up front.
All right. Well, listeners, to tune off our.
We have
We have an announcement.
a change in the plan here. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Over the course of the years, we've been very, 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 very privileged to be a part of several functions with Mayor Bart Peterson, and we're honored that Mayor Peterson has decided to come here today to say a few words. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Bart Peterson.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very, very much for being here. You know, Dog Talk is synonymous with the city of Indianapolis. Cliff White is synonymous with Dog Talk. All you had to do was, you didn't even have to hear any music. All you had to do is just walk in and see if the guy with the hair was there, and you knew which band was playing. And so this is a tough time, and I just want to thank the band for their courage in coming out here and playing at this difficult time to help raise money for Cliff's family, and to all of you for being here to help support Cliff and his family. Now, this is a tough illness, and as anybody who's ever known somebody who's gone through this knows, it's going to be a long and difficult recovery. But with prayers and with support, he'll be back. Dog Talk will be back just the same as always. But in the meantime, as a tribute to Cliff, let's enjoy this day and let's enjoy this great music. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming in.
Mayor Bart Peterson, folks. Thank you, Bart.
Yeah.
What a nice thing. That's exactly the way to do it.
Got no inclination towards exaggeration. I'll make one exception for you. Something in your eyes always takes me by surprise. Now I'm living every moment for you, 'cause 100 times a minute faces in my mind, 1,000 times an hour, no explanation I can find, 1,000,000 times a day, yeah, yeah. And I can't get away from your vision, from your vision. You get satisfaction, well, from watching my reaction, 'cause I'm lost in my attraction for you. 'Cause every time that you walk by, don't you know you always catch my eye? And every time you look my way, yeah, 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 yeah. Said I don't know what, said I don't know what to say. 100 times a minute, faces in my mind, 1,000 times an hour. and I can't get away from your vision. From your vision. Whoa, 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 whoa. 100 times a minute, your face is in my mind. 1,000 times an hour, and no explanation I can find. Million times a day, and I can't get away from your vision. From your vision, yeah, yeah, yeah. 100 times a minute, your face is in my mind. 1,000 times an hour, no explanation I can find. Million times a day, and I can't get away from your vision. From your vision.
Bob Schneider. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bob Schneider. Bob, who's making his way to the stage, maybe, was one of the original members of Dog Talk with us for quite a while. I think maybe 4 to 5 years. And, was it longer than that?
Sounds like a prison sentence. He got time off for good behavior, I think.
But Bob was at the very beginning with us when we started a long time, actually 11 years ago. So he's back. We're going to bring him back up to do some old stuff with us. We haven't done in a while.
Stuff from our first CD with
You remember how this goes? No? It flies out. It's a good story. Me too. Is Bill Bailey out here too? Bill Bailey? We could use some kid help there, Bill, if you're out there. This is a perfect tune for that.
one of our first major hits from 1994.
That's correct. Man, I'm doing a talented floor down here, which Ann McMichael has done, which is actually beautiful. It's about time to do. It's Bill Bailey, who works with kids all the time, and graciously said he'd come down and bring his wildness to get things going, make it a party, and I'm sure that's what he'll do. So he's more out of control than we are. And older, too, I think. Bill, aren't you older than us? That makes a difference.
And another one from our first CD, Bob. It's called Perfect Person. we're going to do one more with Bob on this set, and we're going to take a short break. Here's another one from our first CD. It's a wonderful tune that Cliff usually does on a odd-looking clay drum called the Udu drum, and Michael's got a big wooden drum that he's going to play this on too, called Beach Fight.
Okay. This should be interesting. Percussion As Bill was saying, we've done this song for a long time. This song also goes way back when Bob was in the band. One of the first tunes we did called Beach Bike that, and Cliff used to use a Udu drum, which we always joked about being a Udu drum. And we don't have that today, obviously, so I brought in a Kahan drum that's sort of a substitute that obviously will work a lot better than what Cliff ever used. So let me see if I can pull that off. Thank you so much. We're going to take a short break and have a raffle here in a moment and collect ourselves for the next set. And yeah, Bob, thanks so much. What a nice thing to have you back for a little bit there, yeah. Every gig now, I think that's going to happen. We'll be back in just a little bit. Thanks.